Hi everyone, my name is James and I'm a Microsoft Certified Professional, NLP Practitioner and also a Certified Trainer. Thank you so much for tuning in, and today I'll be sharing with you guys a product that is called E-Development Crash Course. And I'm very happy today to be sharing with you guys that we have a product that is applicable and we think is very suitable during this situation. So here's out for the next few minutes and see whether it is suitable for you or not. First thing, we are calling this a crash course because we realize that the next step for learning will be all online platform. So if we are focusing on the online platform, it has to be quick, fast, simple, and interesting. So therefore, it has to be something that is very short, within an hour, and it has to be very interesting, it has to be quick, fast, and crispy. So we are calling it the crash course. So meaning to say the participants will go through 2 crash courses in this program, Crash Course 1 and Crash Course 2. And every crash course is only at 1 hour. So it's a total of 2 hours of learning, 1 hour on the first day, and on the second session will be 1 hour on the second day as well, or any other day that you choose deemed to be suitable for the participants. So guys, if you guys are interested, let us know. Let's set up a preview time. It's only 45 minutes of preview time. Listen to what the ideas that we have, and then we'll see how we go from there. And until then, I'll see you guys on the next episode. Stay safe and goodbye.